All right, example 2 is asking about, we have drug Y that is 5 milligrams per minute. That's our order. Available, it comes 1 gram in 200 milliliters of lactated ringers. So what is the hourly flow rate? Let's look at that question for a minute. The hourly flow rate. The last question, example 1, was asking what is the flow rate. And we decided it's not drops per minute. They didn't give us a drop factor, so it was going to have to be milliliters per hour. The hourly flow rate, that's asking the same thing. I mean, it wants to know how much they're getting in an hour. So, I mean, that's still milliliter per hour. There's no indication that we have to do drops per minute, no drop factor. So, milliliter per hour. We said the first fraction has to have milliliters at the top, and luckily that is given to us in the available, which is our label. So we'll stack the 200 milliliters over 1 gram, and that's going to mean that grams needs to be at the top, but our order is written in milligrams, so we need a conversion. That 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Again, be sure and put gram on top since that was at the bottom of our previous one. And that's going to stick milligram at the bottom, which means our next fraction needs milligram, which is good. That's in our order. 5 milligrams needs to happen in 1 minute. But we can't stop at minutes, even though we're out of information. Our desired answer was milliliter per hour. Okay, so we do need to change the minutes into hours using that last conversion there. So check those units. Grams cancel, milligrams cancel, minutes cancel. We have milliliter on top and hour on bottom. So multiply everything across the top, multiply everything across the bottom, and then you get to divide and get 60 milliliters per hour.